Welcome back to the Double Diamond Railroad. Today, part 3, we're going to finish up bringing in these sand cars and the interchange move and all that. Train's waiting on the lead with the sand cars, and we got to get the little switcher out of the shed there to make room for them, because they are going to be able to shove these in on the plant track and drop them, and he can take over and put them in the rest of the way. Hope everybody's doing okay. Hot weather again, hot and dry for like 7 days after that good rain of 1.44 inch. Ooh, tripod really loose this morning. You never know. Never know what it's going to do. Okay, it's good right there. Step in there and throw that switch. So he'll just pull forward on the number 2 track. Get him out of the way for the big boy back there. And that'll do. Right there. Okay, let's get to the next phase. Let's get my 3313 recalled. There he is. Yep. I throw the main switch, tone it back. Now he'll come out of his hold back there. Got his load of 6 sand cars. Get lined up so you can go straight in the plant. Oh, what do we got there? Amazing. Hey, don't know when that happened, but the BNSF on the tail totally derailed back there on the switch. I think his rear truck was before he got there. Shorted out everything. Wasn't a lead engine or power or nothing. Dead short back there. And when it came up, my horn was stuck on. Another never happened before scenario. Now we got to go up in this. Better let me wipe that up there. Better stop and clean that up there. Haven't had a chance. Stand by. Just in case. A lot of grunge on the track. Relight that engine. Clear the crossing, and we'll have the switch toned. Right there. Okay, we get that switch tone, we'll back in. Here we go. It's going to be a short one today. I just got an alert. I got to go up and get on to something else. But it's a small operation today. We did our big one yesterday. Previous video. Okay, we're not going to go very far in the plant track just because of those big engines, all the weight. Slow them way down here. And as soon as we clear that, that'll do right there. Not quite in the door, and that's fine. Keep the engine weight off the sidings back there, off the company property. Then the switcher can work them in there. Okay, so let's do a 3-step. Get uncoupled right here, let's stretch. Blocking a crossing with one engine. That's good. Okay, let's step in there and do the 3-step uncouple. Okay, we got a good uncouple right there. Let's go. It's like I lost an engine sound. I did. It's nothing but a squeal. I don't know if I bumped a button or what. Might have. Pull up here and get the switch toned again. Back up past the crossing. Any traffic want to come through can go. Stop right there. Okay, tele-dispatch and their tone switch. All right, we're going to head right back into the yard lead. Clear that crossing, private crossing. We'll be good. Come up short of the other one. That'll do right there. Okay, let's shut her down. Okay guys, that was a short one. You can see we got a little more work to do here. Probably do this just off camera. Get those cars in there. That'd be awful short. Next thing, we got to work on the loads coming back from the other out of town. Get those done. Okay, take care. God bless. Going to have about 6 more days, 7 more days of hot weather and dry. Not too hot, it's in the 80s. But they say 82 and it ends up being 90, so I don't know. But last night my wife came in and said, it's cold out there. I said, it's 67, come on. And humidity and dew point was way up still, so I don't know how she could feel cold. Okay, take care everybody. Have a great week, what's left, whatever, whenever this comes out. Or a great weekend. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. We'll see you on the next one. Double Diamond Railroad out.